So much dumper truck at the one place. One just passed there. What, them depend on dumper truck drive or garbage? Yeah, what's so much garbage truck at the one place? Watch out, one just passed. Backbridge me stand up still in our original place. See there? See? What me I say? What's so much one more yeah? Dump truck again. Then I clean the town. There's so much garbage truck we have in the town still not clean. See 2 more, 3 more park up down there. So. Yeah? So I don't know what go on, daddy. It's a cleaning driving there. Walk one. Why so much dumper truck down here? So man no go work or clean Portland and Port Antonio. What wanna do? Too much around the one place, daddy. Veteran TV. West Palm. Yeah. 2 gone up the road to some more down there today. Yeah. I'm a thing, Veteran TV I endorse it, my friend them. Watch them a BC come through. You see them? Alright. Watch a real pre now. Then for just clean up the place, daddy. Too much dumper truck, too much dump truck at the one place. Jaja. West Palm. See all marina there, but them all in tournament going. Where them rest of truck there, baby. Them now move. Move up. The another one forward there. I open up, clean up the place. Clean up the place, man. Mad. No one I do down here so much I want too much truck to one place. And I go certain place are cleaning at the town, daddy. I'm gonna go clean up the place. I'm out. Until I chat to the item again, world. Crazy.